You absolutely do not need to show your face to go viral on YouTube. In fact, some of the fastest growing channels are completely faceless. If the thought of being on camera is holding you back from starting your channel, then this video is for you. I'm going to break down exactly how small creators are gaining millions of views and thousands of subscribers without ever revealing their identity. Let's get into it. First, let's look at some examples. Channels like Productivity Guy or Finance Simplified use a simple formula to create incredibly engaging content. They focus on topics people are actively searching for, like how to be more productive or how to invest your money. The key here is value. They're not building a personal brand around their face. They're building a brand around helpful, actionable information. Look at these screenshots. Hundreds of thousands of views on videos made with simple screen recordings and stock footage. It proves that the quality of your information is way more important than showing your face. So what content formats work best for faceless channels? The most popular ones are tutorials, listicles, and case studies. For tutorials, you can use screen recordings to walk people through software, a process, or a skill. Think of channels that teach you how to use Excel or edit photos. For listicles, like Top 10 Scariest Movies, you can use a combination of movie clips, images, and text overlays. And for case studies, you can analyze a successful person or company using stock footage and animated graphics to tell the story. The possibilities are endless, and none of them require you to be on camera. Now, let's talk about a simple but powerful formula for your faceless videos. It starts with a strong, 3-second hook. You need to grab the viewer's attention immediately. Something like, "This one simple habit changed my life," or "Stop making this common investing mistake." Your hook should promise a solution to a problem or spark curiosity. Next, use fast-paced visuals. Your video should never feel static. Use a mix of stock video clips, screen recordings, animated text, and images. A good rule of thumb is to change the visual on screen every 2 to 3 seconds. This keeps the viewer's brain engaged and prevents them from clicking away. You can find great, free stock footage on sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Then, add bold captions. Since there's no face to connect with, your words become even more important. Use large, easy-to-read text on screen to emphasize your key points. This not only helps with engagement, but also makes your video accessible to people watching without sound. Think of it as telling your story through both audio and visuals simultaneously. Of course, you need some good background music. The right track can set the mood for your entire video. For educational content, an upbeat, motivational track works well. For storytelling, something more cinematic might be better. There are plenty of royalty-free music libraries online, like the YouTube audio library itself, so you can find the perfect soundtrack without worrying about copyright. Finally, you need a clear call to action. What do you want the viewer to do next? Subscribe to your channel? Download your free guide? Leave a comment? Tell them directly at the end of your video. A simple, "If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips," can significantly increase your subscriber growth. So why does this strategy work so well? It taps into a huge market of aspiring creators who are looking for guidance, but might be camera shy. By creating faceless content, you become a relatable guide, showing them what's possible. You're not just sharing information, you're demonstrating a path to success that feels achievable to them. You become the example. To make this process even easier, you can use tools to automate your video creation. AI tools can help you generate scripts, find stock footage, and even create voiceovers. Tools like InVideo or Pictory are designed specifically for this kind of content, turning your text into a polished video in minutes. This allows you to scale your production and post consistently, which is crucial for growth on YouTube. Imagine being able to create several high-quality videos per week without spending hours editing. That's the power of automation. To sum it all up, you don't need a fancy camera or a charismatic on-screen personality to succeed. All you need is a strong hook, dynamic visuals, clear captions, good music, and a compelling call to action. Focus on providing massive value to your audience, and they will reward you with views and subscribers. If you want to dive deeper, I've put together a free guide that walks you through the step-by-step process of creating your first faceless viral video, including a list of my favorite tools. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more strategies to grow your channel. I'll see you in the next one.